Hello everyone. I just installed this. This is a 1990 SMC Laguna 36-inch ceiling fan. I uninstalled the Heritage I had up there to install this guy. I just pulled this fan out of the garage. It had been there for 25 years, and it was covered in grime and dust and made horrible noises when it ran. Now it runs really well after good cleaning and oiling, and it's extremely powerful. My goodness. I'll start it up on high. Yeah, it's quite powerful. It shakes a little bit, so it needs to be balanced, but turn it on to medium. And of course low. And off. And I'll put it in reverse here. Alright, here's reverse on high. Yeah, it shakes quite a bit. Turn it on to medium. And low. Alright, thanks for watching.